Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing how to show or hide the battery percentage on your Mac. First things first, head over to the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Click on it, and then select System Settings. Once System Settings is open, you'll want to find Control Center, and click on that. This will bring up all of your Control Center settings. Now, scroll down until you see the battery section. Here, you'll find a toggle to show percentage. Just toggle it on or off, depending on whether you want to see that percentage on your menu bar. Easy, right? You can also choose if you want the battery percentage to show only in Control Center, or remove the battery from the control menu bar. Once you've made your selections, you can simply exit out of your system settings, and you're all set. So, if this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech tips. Thanks for watching.